Hey folks, Unit 2 study guide here. Let's go ahead and get started. Problem number 1, state the x-intercept of the given parabola, sketch the graph, and then also write the parabola in, let's go ahead and call this vertex form, and state the vertex. Okay, so first things first, let's find those x-intercepts. I'm going to factor out the -2 from this quadratic, so I'm left behind with x squared minus 2x minus 3. Check yourself real quick, make sure that goes back in. -2 times x squared is -2x squared. -2 times -2 is positive 4x. Well, -2x times -2 is positive 4x, my bad. And -2 times -3 is positive 6. And now I can just factor the inside here. I need two numbers that multiply to -3 and add to -2. Well, how about we go x minus 3 and x plus 1. Lovely. So my x-intercepts are going to happen when x is 3 and when x is -1. Alright, well let's do the same thing here, but let's not do the same thing at all. Let's do a totally different thing here. Let's find the vertex by completing the square. Actually, no, let's do something else. Let's find the vertex this way. Let's use -b over 2a, just because we can. So -b over 2a, so -b. b is 4, so we get -4 over 2 times a. a is -2, so we get -2 times 2 is -4, so we get -4 over -4 is positive 1. So my h value is 1. To find k, all we have to do is plug back in. -2 times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 plus 6. Simplify that. 6 plus 4 is 10. Minus 2 is 8. So my k value is 8. So my vertex is the point 1, comma, 8. And now let's sketch this. So draw yourself some axes. We are going to plot our two x-intercepts. So 1, 2, 3, and -1. So we can get a point there and a point there. And so actually another reason why we knew that our h value was going to be 1 is it has to be directly in between those two x-intercepts. So go 2 to the right, you get 1. Go 2 to the left, you get 1. So that has to be our x value. Y value is 8, so we're going to plot that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are up here. And notice that dashed line right there, that is representing the axis of symmetry. Don't think that that's an asymptote, please. And now let's just sketch our graph going down. But notice the y-intercept is 6, so I can at least add that point as well right there and make it a little more accurate, which also tells me this point right here, since we have symmetry there. And now we can sketch this in, and it looks pretty totally decent-ish enough.